soft and juicy Chicken Shami Kebab recipe, melt in mouth, perfect for Ramadan Iftar. Today, I'm sharing my homemade Chicken Shami Kebab recipe that is incredibly soft, juicy and full of flavour, using a very simple method. I cook chicken with chana dal and aromatic spices until tender and dry. Then I chop the mixture in a chopper to get a smooth, melt-in-the-mouth texture. Then I shape the mixture into flat patties, dip them in beaten egg and shallow fry them in oil until golden and crispy from the outside, while remaining soft and melt in the mouth inside. This recipe is perfect for Ramadan Iftar, tea time snacks or party starters. Look at how soft it is. Soft Chicken Shami Kebab recipe, melt in mouth. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Shami Kabab. Put whole spices in muslin cloth or tea strainer. Take 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 3 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 10 to 12 peppercorns, one tablespoon pure ghee. This helps prevent sticking and improves flavour. Add some oil. Add 400 grams boneless chicken. Add 125 grams overnight soaked chana dal, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon nutmeg, cardamom and cinnamon powder, or you can add garam masala instead, 1 teaspoon coriander, cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 10 small dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. I couldn't find my bigger strainer, so I'm using a smaller one, but you have to add coriander seeds into strainer, otherwise they'll end up in the kebab and won't grind well in the chopper. Add 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon dried mint leaves, roast well. Add some water. The spices will release flavour into the mixture. Cook on medium-low heat with lid partially closed. Cover and cook 20 minutes. Stir occasionally so it doesn't stick. Dal starts softening. Since I only soaked the chana dal only for 2 hours, so it took a bit longer to cook. If dal is still hard, add some hot water. You can make this with chicken minced or mutton as well, and you can pressure cook it if you prefer. Cover and cook a bit longer. Cook 20 more minutes. Important signs when it's ready. Chana dal presses easily between fingers. Chicken breaks apart easily. Now simply remove the strainer. Add salt to taste. At the end, next 10 to 15 minutes cook uncovered, stir continuously until the mixture becomes almost completely dry, water is almost gone and dal soft. Transfer the mixture into chopper. Add handful of coriander leaves. You can also add fresh mint leaves here. Add 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 bread slice or breadcrumbs. Crack 1 egg. Grind coarsely 65 to 70% chicken. And 30 to 35% chicken, keep aside and shred by hand. Now mix the shredded chicken back into the paste. Combine well. Time to make Shami Kabab. Take some mixture. Make flat patties. If the mixture is fragile, chill the mixture 20 minutes in the fridge. Repeat the same procedure for all. All Shami Kebabs are ready. These kebabs can be stored in the freezer and should be used within a month. Remove, dip it in the egg and fry whenever you want. Our Shami Kebabs are ready to fry. Heat up some oil. Crack eggs. Add salt. Beat well. Dip the patties lightly in the beaten eggs. Fry medium heat, not deep fried, not very shallow. Oil should come halfway up the kebab. Flip and cook. Cook 3 to 4 minutes each side until golden. Once done, remove it. After frying, place the kebabs on a kitchen towel to remove any excess oil. Very soft, melt in mouth, delicious Shami Kebabs are ready. You can enjoy these kebabs with mint chutney, ketchup, or even with bread. Dish out and serve hot. Look at how soft it is. The kebabs are shallow, fried in oil until golden and crispy outside while staying soft inside. Let me show you another one. Look at how soft it is. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. I'd love to hear how it turned out. See you in the next Happy Cooking. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. for watching. Have a nice day.